Hi everyone, I'm Rachel Tessman from StampYourArtOut.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Andover, Minnesota in the US, and today I want to walk you through the basics of how to take advantage of Stampin' Up's Cyber Monday Paper Pumpkin Prepaid sale for December 1st through the 9th of 2025. I wanted to create this video to help my personal Paper Pumpkin subscribers, but as the co-founder and one of the admins of the Paper Pumpkin fan club, I've been seeing a lot of confusion from many people on how to take advantage of this sale, especially if you're already a current subscriber. So I'll address that, but first I'm going to walk you through how to go about getting a Paper Pumpkin subscription during this sale if you are new to the Paper Pumpkin subscription overall, or you've stopped your other one in the past. So you're going to log into your Stampin' Up! Account, and then you're going to go to your drop-down menu under your name and choose subscriptions. When you're here, you are going to choose this pink lettering here that says add subscription. Don't worry about this. This is subscription history, and this is from the old platform for Paper Pumpkin. But for new subscribers, you're going to click on add subscription, and then you're going to have a choice between prepaid or pay as you go. The first one that's going to be outlined is the pay as you go. Again, during December 1st through the 9th, you're going to be able to take advantage of a sale on the prepaids. Because I'm recording this video before the sale begins, you're not seeing the sale prices, but they will be 25% off. So instead of $81 for 3 months worth of kits, you're going to pay $61. Instead of $162 on the 6 months, it's going to be $122. And instead of $324, it's going to be $244 for the 12 months. And then you pay tax on that, and shipping is included. The $7 shipping is included, so that when you see the rewards that you earn, just take note of that amount, okay? All right, so we're going to go ahead and click on the 3 months prepaid, and we're going to check out, because this is for us. You can also gift a subscription, sending it to someone else. This is where you're going to enter your information, your address, your phone number. All this stuff will be in there, hopefully, if you have an account already with Stampin' Up. And then this is where you put your credit card information. You're going to click continue, but I want you to notice this here. It's going to ship. Your first kit is going to ship in December, and you can't change that. So this is why I'm making the video, because we have current Paper Pumpkin subscribers that need to figure out how to do something with their current subscription in order to not have 2 kits shipped to them or multiple kits shipped to them if they don't want that. So you'll go through this whole process. You can see that you've earned rewards. You can see that you can actually apply rewards, and you can check out. Okay, then you're set to go, and you can take advantage of that, save 25% on 3, 6, or 12 months worth of Paper Pumpkin. The payment happens all at once, so then you just sit back and relax and enjoy your kit after kit. You can always pause a subscription or skip a month or whatever. You can do that as often as you'd like to, but that is after the first kit ships. So when you purchase prepaid or pay as you go, that purchase right away will activate that month's subscription to go, and you can't skip the first month. So because we're not skipping the first month, let's take a look at how this would look if you are currently a Paper Pumpkin subscriber. Now I'm going to go on to the demonstrator side of things, so you're going to see a little bit different screen, but I need to show you as a subscriber. Okay, we're now on the demonstrator side of the Stampin' Up! Website, because I'm a demonstrator, and so things look a little bit different in my account than they will for some of you. For example, the coloring up here, it's a dark blue rather than a teal or whatever. And then you're going to see some pricing differences, because I also get a discount as a demonstrator of at least 25%. You can see I have in my account 2 active prepaids and a pay-as-you-go subscription. We're going to click on this prepaid, and I want you to pretend like I only have a prepaid, okay? So if you are a customer or a demonstrator with a prepaid subscription, so you've paid it up front and you want to take advantage of the Cyber Monday sale, you're going to go into your existing prepaid and you're going to pause. You can see here I have 4 of 12 months still coming. So I'm going to skip December. Skip or pause, same thing. So if you've heard me say pause, it's the same idea. So you're going to skip it, and it's going to allow you to take that break. So you can see if I want to resume December, I can. Let's say I wanted to get 2 kits per month or whatever, but I only want to get 1. So you're going to pause your current prepaid. You're going to skip the month of December on it. When you purchase your prepaid subscription on the Cyber Monday sale, you'll have 2 prepaids showing. Then you can choose to skip either one back and forth after your December kit ships. Okay, because remember, with your prepaid that you're purchasing during the sale, you don't have a choice on that one. The December kit is going to ship. So this is why you're skipping your current prepaid, so that you don't have 2 kits. Okay, all right, I'm going to resume this and I'm going to go back to my other subscription so you can see what that looks like. If you have a pay-as-you-go, this is the same as what we used to call month-to-month subscription. So you're going to click on that subscription. This is what I highly recommend if you only want to get 1 kit per month, okay? A pay-as-you-go is just what it is. You pay every month on those kits. So if I cancel it, it's not affecting anything that I've already purchased ahead of time. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to cancel my subscription. When you cancel your subscription, then you don't have to worry about coming back and skipping anything. You can cancel, and then you have your slate clean and free. Now pretend the prepaids aren't there, but you have your pay-as-you-go gone, and then you can purchase that prepaid and only have to think about that prepaid. Now what I would do is mark your calendar so that you remember to come back and start your subscription up after your 12 months or your 6 months or your 3 months of the prepaid that you're purchasing is over. Okay? If you forget to do that, it's not going to automatically go to month like it used to on the older platform. So I hope that that helped a lot of you out. And I hope that all of the current subscribers and any new subscribers take advantage of this Cyber Monday, December 1st through the 9th, 2025 sale on Paper Pumpkin Prepaids by Stampin' Up. The sale begins at 8 a.m. Mountain Time on the 1st. And at that time or during the sales period, you can log into your Stampin' Up account, choose subscriptions, and make that purchase on the sale. The December kit, as you see here, is going to be gorgeous. I can't wait. It's called Watercolor in Bloom, and we always have some kind of visual hint and a few pieces of information that give us an idea of what to look forward to, but it's always a fun surprise in your mailbox when the kit ships and then eventually arrives. And then you can create with it. You can do alternates with it. I invite you to join the Paper Pumpkin Fan Club on Facebook because that is a wonderful place to get lots of ideas. At the top of that group, there's a featured section, and in the featured section, I always pin a post where you can learn more about upcoming kits. If you are a demonstrator and you're either new to Paper Pumpkin or you're subscribing again with the prepaids, this prepaid is going to be connected to your account, so rest assured. If you are a current Paper Pumpkin subscriber, just double check to make sure that your account is connected to the demonstrator that you still have your Paper Pumpkin going through right now. And if you're new to Paper Pumpkin, reach out to your demonstrator and they can send you a link to help you connect your account to them so that you can continue to support their business. Okay, so I have 2 more things to share before I sign off. The first thing is the number of prepaids that you purchase determines the number of December kits you will get. So if you don't want 5 December kits, don't purchase 5 prepaids. Does that make sense? Purchase the number of prepaids for yourself for the number of December kits you want. Because you can't skip December. And then the second thing is this is the gift giving time of year. So you saw earlier in the video where I pointed out how you can gift. You know, I didn't walk you through how you can gift, but it's pretty self-explanatory as you walk through. You just click on that and it'll ask you who you want to gift it to and all of that. So you could gift a prepaid during this time of year, save some money, and make someone's Christmas or holiday that much brighter. Happy holidays to all of you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now I'd like you all to go and stamp your art out. Bye-bye.